Hello, my name is Juan Velencia. I'm the owner of a solar company and roofing company called Synergy. I've been doing this for a little bit over 7 years, and I have been able to stack a little bit of money, and now I'm ready to jump to the next level and start acquiring assets and start getting passive income. I heard about John's program on Eventbrite through Nick, and I decided that I wanted to come here and learn a little bit more about what he has to say, because I understand that there is a lot more things that I need to learn, and this event has completely changed my mind. The information that he's giving is just super hot, and when you think you know, you have no idea, right? So I'm just ready to, just soak up all the information that I can and just take the steps necessary to make it happen. The most important thing here is, you watch videos on YouTube, you talk to people, and you think you have an idea as to how to do this business, but in reality, there is a process that you got to go through. John was able to break down the exact steps you have to take to get to where you need to get, be able to make profit and reduce your risks. And in what I saw was that there was a lot of steps that I didn't know you had to take. And that was definitely an eye-opening situation where I was not aware of before. And I came in with a mentality. I'm living with a different type of mentality. The way that he explains things and just the amount of knowledge that he has, I just think that you won't be able to get to where you need to get without having a coach just like him. Well, I think if you're a beginner or if you're someone seasoned, I think that it's important to come here, not only to maybe learn the things that you may not know yet. I'm pretty sure this industry is changing all the time. And there's new rules, new regulations that you got to stay up to date. And sometimes when you've been doing this for a very long time and you're not, attending this type of seminars, sometimes you're missing out on the new way of things, the new way things are being done. So I think it's definitely important. Being part of a community is also very important, and just getting to know people that are also getting into this industry. It's very important to network and just try to get as many contacts as possible. Yeah, man, he's really awesome. I mean, he's down to earth, right? He uses live examples. He's talking about the things that he's done. He's funny. He's serious. He has a lot of knowledge in everything that he does. The training is just, even though it's been 2 long days, just sitting down for 8 hours, it has gone really quick because he just keeps you engaged, entertained, and gives you a lot of knowledge. I've been to a lot of events like this before, and they're very broad. He gives you every single detail to the point where even if you leave and you don't get his program, you have knowledge that you can go out there and put it to practice that'll help you make money for sure.